In Rewa, a youth confronted BJP MLA Naren Prajapati, telling him, "Don't show too much leadership here. My ancestor died on this land." The MLA was visiting locals after idols of Buddhi Mata temple in Mankama were vandalized. Anger among residents was evident as they criticized the MLA for perceived inaction. Video footage shows Prajapati trying to calm the crowd while locals voiced complaints. Political observers say the incident highlights rising public frustration over local governance and the handling of religious site security. The video is circulating widely on social media. At a two-day Collector-Commissioner conference in Bhopal, Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav urged officers to focus on system management rather than taking the driver's seat. He directed officials to visit villages, stay overnight and engage directly with residents. Surprise inspections were ordered for schools, hostels, Anganwadis, ration shop, hospital and ongoing construction projects. The CM emphasized accountability and hand-on governance, saying officers must ensure public services reach citizens effectively. Attendees said Yadav's guidance reflects a push for proactive administration. Officers were advised to report findings regularly to improve governance across Madhya Pradesh. A video of BJP MLA Anil Jain from Niwari dancing with singer Shehnaz Akhtar has gone viral on social media. The clip from Monday's Niwari's Mahotsav closing ceremony shows the pair performing to Panda Ko Lag Gayi Churail Re while supporters join it on stage. The video has drawn mixed reaction online, with some praising the festive spirit and others criticizing it as unprofessional for an elected representative. Social media analysts note how such clips can rapidly shape public perception. Event organizers say the dance was part of the cultural celebration and intended to engage the audience. MP and Rajasthan opposition leaders held a joint press conference in Delhi highlighting death of children from toxic cough syrup. MP leader of opposition Umang Singhar blamed Deputy CM Rajendra Shukla, saying 19 children died of kidney failure after consuming the syrup. Local MLA Sohan Balmiki had altered officials earlier but no action was taken. Opposition leader demanded accountability and strict investigation into drug approval and distribution failures. Families of victims continue to demand justice. The case has sparked nationwide outrage over pharmaceutical negligence and government inaction, putting pressure on authorities to reform drug safety monitoring. In Parasia, Betul, a boy named Harsh remains critical at Nagpur Medical College after kidney failure linked to Coldreef syrup. Doctors say both kidneys have failed and the child is on ventilator. The incident follows death of two other children in the area. Family members allege the syrup was administered during treatment. The CMHO has formed a 4-member committee to investigate the case. Authorities are reviewing medical records and distributions channel. Public concern is rising as health officials warn parents to remain vigilant and political leaders demand stronger regulation to prevent further tragedy. Betul's Indian Medical Association protested against the arrest of Dr. Praveen Soni from Parasia linked to the Coldreef cough syrup case. Members called the action unfair and unconstitutional and submitted a memorandum to the collector demanding justice. Local doctors and medical professionals joined the protest, highlighting concern about legal pressures on frontline healthcare workers. IMA representative said Dr. Soni had acted in good faith and demanded that investigations focus on systematic lapses rather than targeting individual practitioners. The protest drew media attention, reflecting growing tension between authorities and medical association in areas affected by the syrup tragedy. Following children's death linked to toxic syrup in Chhindwara, FDA teams raided Bhopal's medicine market, seizing banned product Recipe Fresh D and ANF cough syrup from multiple shops. Officials said the crackdown aimed to remove unsafe drugs and enforce compliance with safety norms. Local distributors reported panic and increased scrutiny of medicines. Health authorities urged pharmacists and hospitals to strictly check expiry dates and product approvals. The raid came amid mounting public outrage and political pressure over regulatory lapses that allowed dangerous syrups to treat children. Officials warned that the further action will follow against violators. Tourists in Kanha Reserve, Mukhi Zone captured a rare sight. A tiger and tigress standing face to face on two legs. The thrilling moment was recorded during a morning safari and shows the tigers in a powerful standoff before returning to the forest. Wildlife enthusiasts have shared the video widely, making it viral across social media. Park official said such behavior is uncommon and reflect territorial assertion. Conservationists noted the clip highlights the importance of protected areas and tourism role in observing wildlife. Visitors continue to flock to Kana, hoping for similar rare encounters. After record October rainfall, Madhya Pradesh is seeing a retreat of monsoon rains. Meteorologist Arun Sharma said withdrawal is expected between October 10th and 12th, with only light showers continuing for the next 2 days. Temperatures are predicted to drop gradually as dry conditions return to most regions. Farmers welcome the end of heavy rains, hoping for easier harvesting. Authorities advise citizens to prepare for cooler, drier weather and adjust water management practices. The retreat marks the end of an unusually wet season that brought record precipitation and affected crops, road and urban drainage system across the state.